Good morning, YouTube. So I have this 2011 Ford Taurus show that's having an issue when you start the car. You can hear that clicking sound. So evidently this is kind of a common issue on a lot of Fords. So it seems that it's the AC actuator. So today I'm actually going to be replacing the actuator, which is somewhere under here behind the glove box. So at this point I actually give you some misinformation saying you have to take away 3.7mm bolts, but that's actually not the case here. You could actually just unhinge the glove box from the latches there. Kind of slide it out at an angle because of these ends. And then this should be our culprit. Let's go ahead and get to removing that now. So right here is the part number. As you see, it's YH1779. I'm actually comparing the old one, which is on the right, and the new one on the left. The new one actually had some markings on it, so I think it's refurbished. Okay, guys, I did buy it from eBay. We've installed the new part. We've gave the car some time to cool down. Let's see if this is going to be the solution to our problem, hopefully. Awesome. So we're no longer getting the annoying clicking sound anymore. So if you guys do like this video, go ahead and like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. Thanks, guys.